Let me welcome towards this session. And first, we have discussed about this earlier also, but to remind you again, this is the doji candle, right? So opening and closing has to be very similar, right? So the open here and closed near here. So this is totally similar. So we are going to say this is a doji candle. So in this, these are the kind of doji candle with body equals to, right, body equals to zero, about zero, right? Okay, you can also say that. Now these doji are really important, listen carefully. These doji are good confirmation candle, okay, and good entry candle also, right? Confirmation, that means if you are saying the trend is going in downward direction and it is the confirmation that trend may go in upward direction by looking at other indicators or price action, then you see suddenly you see a doji, then this doji is confirming that this trend is ending. Okay, this doji is confirming that this trend is ending. Okay, this is the confirmation. And for entry, now you can go ahead and you can enter on this candle also, right? It would be considered as an aggressive entry, but it is totally fine if trend is ending. By looking at other things and by just this candle, you can go ahead with the aggressive entry also, right? And now let's see what this doji represent. This is neutral candle, right? You know it, what I am trying to say over there, right? Okay, we're going to apply the same principle again and again, right, that we have discussed, and this is what actually work in the market, right? So why this is neutral? Because when market actually open, right, open here, it made a low, then made a high, then made a low. So these were sellers at the end, and there were sellers again, and there were buyers. So we can say that yes, there were sellers and yes, there were buyers, but actually both are equal, right? Okay, during the whole day or whole hour. So what we are going to say, this is neutral or indecisive. Okay, indecision is there in the market. Okay, and this is totally bullish because after sellers there are buyers, so buyers have taken the control. So this is bullish, and similarly this is also bullish, and this is bearish because after buyers there were sellers. So this is totally bearish. So these are the candles. Now we are going to use them. Remember, these this candle and these candles are very essential to take trades, right? This is also called pin bar, right? Pin bar candle. So what we are seeing right now, this is bullish, and to apply the same concept, the wick is bigger, that means bullish pressure is higher. The wick is bigger, that means the selling pressure higher. This is upper wick, this is lower wick, right? Now let's move forward. That is a trading strategy momentum exhaust, right? Now in this, what we are going to say, the market is actually going down, right? And suddenly after this we have seen these candles, right? One candle this doji, second candle is this, and third candle is this. Now in which candle you are going to believe that market may go up, right? First candle, second candle, or third candle? Answer this. In which candle you are going to believe that market may go in upward direction? Second. Okay, everyone is saying second. Okay, so second, a reason is because after sellers there are buyers. Now we can say that there are buyers, so we are going to assume that this trend is about to end and there is aggression of buyers, right? So we can go ahead with that. And similarly, if you go with the upward trend and if you see this candle, right, okay, then we are going to assume there is going to be a downtrend. Okay, so this is going to be our confirmation candle after this, and we are going to look at some other things also, higher highs, higher lows, whether they are going to exhaust or not, whether buyers are there or not, right? Or maybe some indicators or these things, right? But this candle is going to be a good confirmation, right? Now for that, always remember, if you are applying these strategies on daily time frame,